Boom. So what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be giving you guys my top tips for beginner traders struggling to make profit. I'm going to be giving you guys solutions to your problems and hopefully sending you guys in the right direction for your next trade with more knowledge on how to make profit. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. Now, the first tip I'll be giving you guys is that trading is 90% psychology. And I remember when I first started out, I was hopping in any trade I saw and just pulling out whenever it didn't go to plan. Now, what I've actually come to realize is that trading is all psychological. That's why I recommend, instead of just watching the trade, instead setting up a stop loss and a take profit and using alerts to notify yourself instead of watching it not go the way you wanted it to go and it's suddenly just going past your take profit even though you pulled out. Now, the second tip I'll give you guys is that you don't have to take a trade every day. I sometimes take trades every other day. As long as you're not losing hopping in random trades, then you're winning in trading. Now, that's how I view trading, but I would not take more than 3 trades in a day no matter what. And I usually say to myself that I need a valid reason to hop in that third trade, as 3 losses in a day is just hard to bring back, and all you'll do is just keep losing. Now, the third tip I will give you is that you should start out with a demo account until you are consistently profiting. I see many YouTubers who have luckily made a great amount of wealth from trading, as they start off by losing 40 grand and then luckily bring it back and make their own profit. Now, this isn't the case for some people who don't make it. They instead go into a dark place of debt. Now, a demo account is your saving grace, and if you end up not profiting 8 months later, it's not going to make a difference. You can just move on to your next hustle and forget about it, as it just isn't for you. Now, the next tip is to backtest as much as you look to hop in a trade. Backtesting is a method of going back in time and testing out how profitable a strategy is based on how it previously performed. Now, I recommend doing this at least an hour a day if you want to be a successful trader who has consistently profitable strategies. Now, the final tip from me is to enjoy your trading journey and find a strategy which works for you. Now, the best bit about trading is that if you find one strategy, that can result in wealth forever. You don't need complex strategies to get the greatest profits. Discover your own strategies which work for you and chase the profit that way. So that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed my tips. And if you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video and comment down below what you would like me to do next, and I'll see you guys in the next one.